Hi friends, today we are going to do a fun science experiment. The experiment's name is Machli ki Rani hai. You will need a scissor, card paper, pencil, big bowl with water, some liquid hand wash or a soap. Draw a fish on the card paper and cut it. Here is my fish. Put it in the bowl. Take soap on your fingertip and put the fish in the bowl and touch behind the fish. The fish moves. This happens because tap water has higher surface tension. Soap weakens the surface tension and pushes the fish. If you like my video, like, subscribe and share. See my next video for another interesting science experiment. Thank you.